home improvement expert Danny Lipford has some tips to help you get your home into the holiday spirit. And then we'll be right back.
Hey, Danny Lipford here from today's Homeowner. The holidays are fast approaching, so it's time to do a little decorating both inside and outside of your home. For me, it all starts with the tree. Now, I've always had real trees, but I think I'm about to change my mind. This looks so realistic. It's a pre-lit tree that I was able to pull right out of the box and assemble so easily. LED lights, I know they're going to last a long time, and I don't have any needles all over my carpet, and I'm not going to spend my holidays keeping a real tree watered. Now, one thing I do love is lights inside and outside of my house, and I just completed putting a few lights here around the mantel. I'm still tweaking it a little bit, but one of the things that I would strongly recommend you not do is use a staple gun or any type of nail. I mean, you're going to end up with holes everywhere, and you could pierce one of the electrical wires, which is not a good idea at all. Just grab some command hooks, has adhesive backing on it. You can put it right on the surface, then you can hang all the lights you want, both inside and out. And after the holidays are over with, you can peel it right off with no residue showing whatsoever. Now, outside, I'm going to do a little something different this year. I'm creating my own custom light show. I'm installing a few spotlights, some decorative LED lights, and my favorite, a laser RGB 3D hologram projector. Then I can control all of the lights wirelessly using my smartphone and Show Home's Bluetooth mesh technology. After the holidays, you'll have to pack everything back up. Make it easy on yourself by having the right container. The clear ones with the dividers, perfect for the ornaments. You can even get specialty ones that'll take care of your Christmas wreath, gift wrapping paper, or just about anything else. And the big tub like this for those big decorations. And they're all color-coded so that you'll know exactly where those holiday decorations are. But that's later on. Right now, enjoy your holidays.
Owning the Seasons, brought to you by the Home Depot. More saving, more doing.
This is how we plan our surprises. We pick up on hints and find the best values on the best brands around, including a few stocking stuffers. At the Home Depot, this is how we help you give gifts that mean more. This is why. Buy one Milwaukee 25-foot stud tape measure for $24.97. Get another free at the Home Depot. More saving, more doing.